Hi guys, welcome. I'm back on Hyperlint, and there's a user in Discord who has issues with Hyperlint. Now, Hyperlint is beta software, it is Wayland, so there may be issues, and there's a Discord channel specifically, not ArcoLinux B support, but specifically here Hyperlint support, right? So I want to share you something that's super interesting, and that's the fact that we can share packages. So if you have a system that works and another user says it doesn't work for me, you do a super 2, for example, and then you launch the ATT, Control T. The ATT is our ArcoLinux tweak tool, and I've shared what I have on my machine. My guess is the problem that he has is because of the fact that maybe, we don't know, there is a package on there that's conflicting because of the Wayland, because of Hyperlint. So you can actually give somebody else a list of explicitly installed packages through ATT packages, export packages, and I get a file, and I give him that file. So this is something that's interesting, because this means if you got 2 of those, you meld it, right? So basically, if I say Control C, Control V, and I say I have one from me and one from another user, you take these 2 guys and you compare it. And then you know what's different, what packages do I have and don't you have. That's an interesting way to compare. Just a thought.